Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can highlight text in Canva, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I have this just random text that I have typed out and inserted into my presentation. Let me just make it a bit bigger, and I'll be showing you guys how you can edit this text and highlight it. What you need to do is click on the text box at hand and go into Effects in the top toolbar, and here you can select a style which you would want, and the style you want to click is this background style with the background in it. As you can see, it has now created a yellow style with a yellow background, and here you can select how cornered you want it to be, how sharp or how blunt. I'll put it completely blunt. You can put the width of it and the opacity of it as well, and of course you can change the background color if you would so like as well. But let's say I remove the background just for a second. You can also go into draw, and under draw you have this sort of highlight marker thing where you can select the thickness of it and the opacity of it. And if I use this, as you can see, for some reason it's writing over, but I'll show you how to circumvent that later. Just highlight over it, and once you highlight over it, you can very easily select the text at hand or the highlight and just right click it and go to layer and send it to the background. And now, as you can see, it has been highlighted like this as well, but they are separate entities. To make them together, just highlight both, click group, and now, as you can see, the text has been highlighted. That's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.